This old guy DIY video has to do with making a cost-effective coon-proof bird feeder hanger. So I took a piece of 3/4 inch conduit and just bent a 90 on the end with a pipe bender. It's a 10-foot piece with a 90 on each end. And then I have 2 pieces of 1/2 inch conduit that I cut to 7 feet long. And now I'll take my big friendly hammer, just put the 2 ends in, and put that piece of 3/4 inch right onto the 1/2 inch. I'll have a nice, strong, easily moved bird feeder holder that the coons can't mess with. So this is the initial feeder holder location. You can see the 1/2 inch conduit comes up, the 3/4 inch just falls on top. We just hung these things on here for the moment to get some feel of where she wants them. This little tree cluster of crap is going to come out. So then she'll have a nice little arrangement. And when Mr. Coon comes up the pine tree thinking, I'm going to get those birdhouses, he tries to jump onto this thing, he's going to fall off. So have a good day.